Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. I have been wanting to open this since it came in the mail. We are unboxing the new FabFitFun. So I'm hyped about summer. It's finally almost summer. So I can't wait to see what's in here. You guys know I'm a ride or die FabFitFun lover. So first of all, thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. I am a huge fan, so I get so excited when we get to unbox these. So they just released their summer box. I'm actually even putting this video up earlier than planned because the boxes are going really fast. So if you like what's in this box, hop on it. So they're a seasonal box with all full-size goodies. So what I love about these boxes are seasonal. So they come 4 times a year and it's everything that you would want for the upcoming season, which is why I love it. So you will find things that are perfect for like health, beauty, wellness, super cute things. I love trying new things for each season. And every box has full-size products. Everything is full size, which is another reason why I love it. Genuinely, every FabFitFun box I get, I still use things from like 3-4 boxes ago. This stuff is amazing. So every box is $49.99, but it's valued at over $250. You get a lot for your money. And you guys can get $10 off your first box with the code FEARLESS. Guys, I seriously love getting these so much. It's like Christmas 4 times a year. It's magical. The boxes are always so beautiful. It's already just putting me into a summer spirit. Ooh. Guys, I see something from Pier 1 Imports. Okay, oh my god, all right. This is so exciting. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have to go ahead first and see what is from Pier 1. Guys, these are literally like my favorite videos to film. I'm so excited right now. Oh my god! This is so my style. I am shook. It's this super cute little dish, like a jewelry holder. So it's like marble with the rose gold around the edges. This is so perfect for like putting your rings or your jewelry in. So pretty. This is definitely my style. This is something that I would absolutely just buy on my own. Okay, so next we have from Orlando PETA Play. We have the Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray. So this is for damp and dry hair. Ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 benefits. Up to 450 degrees in heat protection. It provides humidity control, shields against environmental stressors, enhances manageability, repairs split ends, oh my god, yes, preserves shine, smooths your hair cuticle, promotes softness, maintains your color, and refreshes curls. This is amazing. And look how pretty the packaging is. I love this. I can't wait to try it. Ooh, and it smells really good too. We'll definitely be trying this out soon. Ooh, guys, okay, from Vasanti we have the Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this dramatically improves your skin's texture to reveal softer, brighter, and younger looking skin. So I have a lot of acne scars that I'm fading right now, so this is so exciting. It actually mimics professional microdermabrasion results using 99% natural ingredients. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this out. I'll definitely be letting you know. Make sure you stick around, and I'll let you guys know in a vlog soon how this is. This sounds like everything I need right now. I'm just trying to brighten my skin. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now. The Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. I have been wanting to try this. I'm so glad I didn't buy it. And it came in this box. Oh my goodness, yes. I have heard really good things about this. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, look at this packaging. It's like opening the Holy Grail. Guys, we have to try it. I have to put some on, I have to. This looks so beautiful. Oh my god, it even has a cream contour and a powder. Like, what? Oh, y'all, what? Oh my goodness. Wow. I am never gonna be the same. I am beaming. Ooh, little on the nose, always a little on the nose, or a lot. I cannot wait to play with the contour colors. Oh my goodness. FabFitFun, yes. Okay, next we have something from Aromatherapy Associates. Ooh, the De-Stress Muscle Gel, focusing and soothing. Ooh. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, ginger to de-stress your body after being in one position for too long or a lot of physical activity. This is exactly what I need right now. If you watch me, I have been doing personal training now for a month, so I've been really active and doing a lot of like hardcore workouts and things I've never done before, and I've definitely felt it. So this is gonna come in handy like hardcore. So you just apply generously and massage it in to like overworked muscles or joints. I am really excited about this. Oh my gosh, I had a feeling it would smell good because I saw the word lavender. It smells amazing. Guys, I'm really excited about this. Like, I have been very sore. So I'll try this out and I'll let you know how it is soon. Okay, now from Kula, we have their Sport Classic Face SPF 50 moisturizer. This is exactly what I need right now. So because I am on Accutane, my skin is very sensitive to sun, and I have to be really careful with like SPF and stuff. So this is awesome. This came at like the perfect time, literally. I was like needing an SPF moisturizer. Ooh, and it's organic, cruelty-free, farm-to-face, TSA approved if you're traveling, and water resistant. I'm actually going to Florida next month too, so I will definitely need this. This came at the perfect time. Like, everything is so perfect for summer. Like, it's all about like being active and working on those muscles and, you know, having heat protectant for your beach waves and getting that bright glowy look. That's why I love FabFitFun so much. Like, every time you get it, it's like, okay, I needed this, I'm gonna definitely use this. Like, the products are things you really use. So don't forget, you can get $10 off your first box with the code FEARLESS. Like, it's already a great deal, but like, it's even better. Okay, so what do we have here? Oh my god, I almost bought this. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. As you can see here, it's like this little face cleansing massager. So it's called the Foreo Luna Smart Beauty Coach. It's a facial cleansing brush. This is so cool. It even has like an app to like tell you your skin age. What? It measures your skin's moisture, it reveals your skin age, it customizes a cleansing routine for you, and the app records your progress. This is the coolest thing ever. This is probably the best box like ever, and I have loved all of their boxes so much, but this, every time it just gets better and better. This is so cool. I can't wait to see what my skin age is. We have to try that. We're gonna have to figure it out in a vlog. We're gonna have to do it, and I'll tell you my skin age. What? And last but not least in here, I think we have a beach towel. Make your own sunshine from Summer and Rose. Oh, this is perfect. I don't have any beach towels. I literally had one beach towel last year, and I don't know where it is. Ever since I moved, I don't know where it is. Does it have pineapples? Is this a pineapple? Oh my gosh, look how cute this pattern is. Oh my god. FabFitFun, I love you. I do. Like, if anyone ever asks me, because you guys ask me all the time, like, what's the best subscription box? It's always FabFitFun. Always. Like, if you're gonna spend money, do it for this, because you're gonna get full-size products. You're gonna get things that you actually use and need for each season. It's not every single month where it's excessive. It's 4 times a year. Everything is like fit around the season. I am a genuine true fan. Like, I'm hyped. I am hyped about these products, so I can't wait to play with all of these and show you how they are. I'm all about it. I'm just all about FabFitFun. So everything, like I said, is valued at over $250. The boxes are $49.99. Get $10 off your first box with my code FEARLESS. I'll put a link down below for you. I need you to go get this because, like, this is amazing. Like, I'm shook at how amazing this is. And they are going really fast. FabFitFuns always sell out really quickly because they are fantastic. But make sure you grab yours right now if you want to try these products out. I'm so excited about this. I'll let you know how all of them are. But thank you for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind.